Welcome. My name is Roberta Katz, and I am the founder of Roberta Katz Consulting. Finance department staff at nonprofit organizations have traditionally worked on-site together, but due to this COVID-19 pandemic, they must now work remotely, and for some, this might become permanent. Processing purchase orders, invoices, and employee expense reports, preparing budgets and forecasts now must be done working remotely. Many nonprofit organizations have decided that now is the time to implement automated systems to perform these functions. I have implemented and administered these systems at several nonprofit organizations I have worked for, and I would like to share some tips with you based on my experience that will make the implementation process more efficient and save you time. Beginning with vendor evaluation and selection. Before you select a vendor, make sure that their software can accommodate your general ledger account structure and your process for allocating costs. Nonprofits have many segments to their general ledger account structure, such as cost center program codes, and their process for allocating costs can be quite complex. If significant customization is required in the software to meet your needs, this may become very costly and very time-consuming. Prepare your general ledger. Before you set up accounts in your new general ledger accounts in your new system, review your current chart of accounts in general ledger for inactive accounts that do not need to be migrated into the new system. For the remaining accounts that will be included in the new system, ensure that there is consistency by the end users in the use of these accounts by distributing a used for list for commonly used accounts. For example, for expenses, what types of expenses are included in this specific general ledger expense account? Distribute organizational policies. If you're implementing an automated system to process employee expense reports, how do employees know what are valid business expenses for which they will be reimbursed? Distributing an expense reimbursement and travel policy to all employees will ensure the uniform adherence to the policy and minimize the number of questions employees have when they actually input their expenses into the automated system. Test, test, test. If you roll out a system that has a lot of glitches, you will lose the confidence of the end users as to the benefit and reliability of the system, and you will waste a lot of time. Test transactions from beginning to end extensively in the new system to ensure the system is set up with proper workflow and authorizations. Set up a test general ledger and upload these transactions into the test general ledger to be sure that the transactions will be recorded properly in the general ledger. And finally, system launch and rollout. Distribute a user manual and provide online video training to your end users specifically for your system. If the standard user manual and video provided by the software vendor is not adequate, create your own. This will minimize the number of questions that end users have when they actually start beginning using the automated system. Please visit my website, rpkatzconsulting.com, to learn more about me, the services I provide, articles I have published, and very important webinars I have produced. Thank you.